Hello. All right, we have uploaded a new picture for our home page. We have changed the background color. Now I want to show you how to customize the navigation bar, how to set that up. Right now, by default, any page we add will just fall in line here, along, one right after the next, In case you want to have items fall beneath, they're called a drop-down menu, so child pages. So say I wanted web design to come beneath services, I would need to activate my custom menu. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. We go into our dashboard, back down under appearances, and we select menus. Right now, as I said, the default menu is set up. So we need to create a menu, and I'm going to call it Eileen Test. There we go. I'm going to create the menu. Now we need to activate that menu. It says your theme supports one menu. Some support two, where they'll have a menu maybe across the top, maybe a big box, for an image, and then another menu. And then in that case, you would could add another menu. I'm going to add one just so you can see. We can also put a menu in a widget. So I'll create a second menu. But let's go back to our main menu, Eileen Test. I'm going to activate it, and I'm going to save it. Now you'll see there's nothing in it, so we need to populate that. So we're going to put over the pages. We're going to click on our pages. We're going to add them to the menu. Now you'll notice that the home page is missing. Now for the default 2012 theme, the home page is set to your blog page. So what we would want to do is type in the URL of our home page. So for us, it's elizabethtabor.wordpress.com. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to call it home. You could call it blog. You could call it whatever you wanted. Another thing you may want to do is link to your social media. So you could have your Facebook URL. If you are an artist and then you're also selling on Etsy, you could have your Etsy URL and just label it Etsy or Facebook or whatever you want. And you'll add it to the menu. Then over here, you'll just drag and drop where you want things to appear. So I want my home page, my about page, services, and then I want web design to fall under services. I want that to be a child page. So I'm going to click on save. I go back to my training class, and you'll see home, about, services, there's web design. Okay, and then let me just take this one step further. I'm going to go back into my dashboard. I'm going to go to appearance and widgets, and then I have all of these default things set up. If I don't want them, I'm just going to drag them away. Okay, but I do want a custom menu. So I'm going to drag that over here. My widget menu, which I forgot to put anything in there, but read more. Just say in my widget menu I had put all the services. Then when I clicked on widget menu in the sidebar, they would have shown up. I'm just going to put this one in so you can see what this will look like. But you can make as many different types of menus as you wanted. And you can see, here's my main menu. I called it Read More. And then it's a repeat of this, which obviously is a little overkill, but you could have a separate menu.